I'm going to have a vision board part in there. So just all of those different things. So, and what I did is, so then I said, yes, please show me some sample page layouts. So what it did is go back and refine all of those sections to give more detail of what would go on in each section. So like right here for brainstorming, it said your prompt could be list out all of the ideas you have for creating a GPT. Think about different topics, themes, and audience. The reason I'm showing you guys all this is because I don't have to just use this for a workbook. I can actually take this information and turn it into an actual GPT. So I'm going to go through here and define which parts I like that I want to use. Defining objectives, it say what are the main goals you want to achieve with your GPT. The worksheet is object 1, object 2, object 3. Now in my actual workbook that I give y'all, I will have this set up in all layout form and, you know, all pretty for you like that. But in the GPT part, I could take this, you know, and implement all these steps into an actual GPT to prompt you guys to put in this information. So see, all this right here is that's a whole detailed GPT that I came up with right there. So right here, right in the content, it says start drafting your content, focus on clarity and engagement. Your tips is keep it concise, use engaging language, be clear and informative. Keep in mind, these is just steps that is suggested. In the footer, it says reminder to review and edit for quality. One of these footers, it had some motivational quotes. It suggested that you could put in here. For your content section and launch plan, it suggested that I use timeline, graphics, and you know, things like that. So I could put that in there if I want to. I want to scroll down right quick to what I asked it to add. So right here, I said, please help me explain the details of section 1, understanding GPTs. Please give me a description for each question on each page of the section. So then it just went in and gave me sample detailed descriptions. What is a GPT? How do GPTs work? What are applications for GPTs? What's the word of Chat GPT? What's the role, of Chat GPT? How does Chat GPT differ from other GPT models? It went into explaining all of that. What are the benefits of using Chat GPT? So now to me, it gave me those details, but it didn't give me details of using an actual GPT. So I went in and I added that.